Audio in content creation is one of the hardest things I think you can deal with. More than video, people will put up with bad video, people will not put up with bad audio. And trying to chase down microphones to make your production life a little bit easier can be very, very expensive. Now, luckily, over the years, things like lavalier microphones have come down in price a lot. And now there's a lot of competitors in the space. And whether you want to go with something like Rode or Sennheiser or some knockoff brand like Lee Chow, then you can. And there's an option at every price point now. But one of the ones I've been really wanting to try out was the Saramonic lavalier kit. And this is kind of, once again, a knockoff of the Rode Go design. These normally retail for like $280 here in Canada, but I was very lucky that I found this one receiver, one mic unit on Facebook Marketplace for $100. And I was like, you know what? For $100, I will 100% gamble it and see how good this is. But first, we have to unbox it and see what's inside. So let's see what we got for $100. How the hell do I open this? Oh. Open. That's an odd place to put it, but sure, why not? So let's get this baby open. Looking at other reviews on YouTube, I have heard nothing but good things about this unit. And that's kind of what convinced me to pull the trigger. That and the $100 price tag. Come on. So packaging is really nice. Nice quality cardboard, which I'll probably throw away right away. And let's get this out of here. So inside, what do we have? Have our warranty card, which is weird. We have some stickers, that'll be fun. We have our manual. So you can see here that there's multiple versions of this microphone. Now we have the, what do we have? We have the Saramonic Blink 500 Pro. Oh, it says it right there, Blink 500 Pro. So we have our operations manual. This walks you through all of the features and the layouts, a lot of which we'll probably look at in the review. But we have that. What's this? Okay, so these are just some extra things. That's boring. Very nice travel case. I really do like the travel case. We also have an accessories pack. So that should be all this is. So let's rewind that back up. And let's see what's inside the accessories case now. So inside the accessories case, we have a gel packet. And we have a USB-C charging. We have a white lavalier microphone. That's pretty sick. Really happy about that. Then we have the dead cat for the mic, for the wind. I believe this is for the receiver. I believe this is for something else. And then we have another charger. Oh, okay. One is 90 to 90, one is 90 to straight. So I think they're both for the receiver. I'm sure in the manual they tell me. But let's get into the box and see what that is like now. Look, it's open. Look, it's open. Ooh, okay. Bro, this thing's like packed out, damn. So I guess it charges in the case? What is this? 5 volt, 1.5 amps. Okay. So how do we open this here? We have open and pair. So let's open it. Oh, that's pretty cool. Wow, these are smaller than I imagined. Ha, that's what she said. But yeah, these are smaller. So that's the transmitter. This is the receiver. So I guess this goes into the camera, and this goes onto you, if I'm not mistaken. These are very small. How do they feel? They feel light. They feel a little bit cheap. I'm not gonna lie. They do feel cheap for sure. You have the mic in here, and you can see
It has mic in, but also has a mic built in. So you don't have to use the lav if you don't want to. Now, this can also come in a 2 mic, 1 receiver, or yeah, two transmitter, 1 receiver setup. The seller who was selling these actually they had them, but they were sold out. So that's why I got the 1-to-1. But here we have line out and headphones. But yeah, these feel a little cheap. But I don't really know like what you'd be expecting from something like this. This is nice though. I'm pretty happy with this. Like, this case is nice. You have a pair button. So yeah, that's the unboxing experience. I'm pretty happy with how this goes. Although, come on, open now, bitch. There we go. Of course, you have the LCD screens here, and this would give you all your relevant information. What do you have here? You have mute on the side. You have a set. I assume the sets are like levels. Oh, and then you can charge them individually too, through the side here. But these look like that's a micro USB port. Oh, okay. So one of these was micro USB. One of these is USB Type-C. So USB Type-C if you want to charge everything. Micro if you want to charge them individually. Okay, I get it. Well, there you guys go. That is the unboxing experience for the Saramonic Blink 500s. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hey, why don't you give it a thumbs up? Why don't you check out some more videos on the channel? Maybe leave a comment. You know, helps me out a lot. But this is happening on New Year's Eve 2022. Normally, I don't give the dates in these videos for timeless purposes. But, well, I want to say Happy New Year to everybody. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see all of you on the next one. Bye.